Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan from WUNNA Educational Services. I welcome you to our second part of conversion of units of volume. In the first lesson, we have looked at how we convert units of volume such as cubic kilometers to cubic meters to cubic centimeters, and then cubic centimeters to cubic millimeters. So in this video we shall look at how to convert liters to cubic centimeters and also cubic meters, and then we shall have some examples and trial questions. So to start with is the equivalence of 1 liter in terms of cubic centimeters. 1 liter is equal to 1,000 cubic centimeters. But don't forget, we've seen that 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 1 million cubic centimeters. So that implies that therefore, since 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 1 million cubic centimeters, and also 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 cubic centimeters, therefore, if we substitute centimeters with liters, that will give us 1 cubic meter equaling to 1,000 liters. We are saying that if 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 cubic centimeters, then that implies that therefore 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 1,000 liters, because we shall substitute 1,000 with 1 liter. In this 1 million, we shall substitute 1,000 with 1 liter, and that remaining 1,000 will give us 1,000 liters. That is how we convert from liters to cubic centimeters and from cubic meters to liters. For instance, let us have an example. The example says convert 1.5 liters to cubic meters. So we've already seen that 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 cubic centimeters, and therefore when converting, we can convert directly using this expression, or we can first of all convert from liters to cubic centimeters, then from cubic centimeters to cubic meters. Let us try that and see. We've seen that if 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 cubic centimeters, then 1.5 will be 1,500 cubic centimeters. However, we know that 1 meter cubed is equivalent to 1 million centimeters cubed. And since we want to convert 1,500 centimeters cubed to millimeters cubed, that means that we need to get the equivalence of 1 cubic centimeter. So that means that 1 cubic centimeter is equivalent to 1 over 1 million cubic meters. Then what about the 1,500 cubic centimeters? That is 1,500 divided by 1 million, which will give us 0.0015 meters cubed. So that is how we convert units of volume. So let us look at some of the examples on conversion of units of volume. Let us look at the examples. Example 1, we are told to convert each of the following as instructed. Part A, we have 0.015 meters cubed to millimeter cubed. So from the formula we can always get the equivalence of one unit in terms of the other. For instance, 1 meter is equivalent to 1,000 millimeters. And therefore, since we want to change 1 meter cubed to millimeter cubed, but we have 1 meter equaling to 1,000 millimeters, we shall cube both sides. We cube by multiplying 3 times. So that gets us 1 meter cubed equaling to 1 billion millimeters cubed. What about the 0.015 meters cubed? That would be 0.015 times 1 billion in millimeters cubed, hence giving us 15 million cubic millimeters. Part B, we are told to convert 1,200 decimeters cubed to hectometers cubed. So in this example, we are changing from a smaller unit to a bigger unit. And therefore, we very well know that 1 hectometer is equivalent to 1,000 decimeters. And therefore, since we are converting units of volume, we shall cube both sides by multiplying 3 times, hence giving us 1 hectometer cubed being equivalent to 1 billion decimeters cubed. But we are converting from decimeters to hectometers, so we need to know the equivalence of 1 decimeter cubed. Therefore, we shall divide both sides by 1 billion, hence getting 1 cubic decimeter equaling to 1 over 1 billion cubic hectometers. And therefore, 1,200 decimeters cubed will be 1,200 divided by 1 billion. We are dividing since we are changing from smaller units to bigger units. And therefore, our final answer will be 0.000012 hectometers cubed. So that is how we convert units of volume. Otherwise, with those examples, I would request that you try out these 5 trial numbers and test whether you have achieved the learning outcome of today, which is being able to convert units of volume. Otherwise, I'm teacher Ivan from WUNNA Educational Services. We have platforms all over the social media apps. So search for WUNNA Educational Services and we learn together.